Bismillah. طيب. I'm going to start revision for today from what we have stopped yesterday. We stopped at the question number 2 in page 83. Right? This was the question. طيب. This table shows the train time, two trains, and the leaving time for each one from 4 stations: station W, station X, station Y, station Z. And then in the first question, you have to find the leaving time of train B from station X. Okay. Type. Let's first read the question. Is a part of train timetable. Both trains take the same time of to travel between stations in this order. This means what does this mean? Is that, for example, of train A to train B to train for train A to travel from station W to station X, okay, it's going to take some time, right? This time is the same as train B take to travel from X station W to station X. طيب. So how to find the travel time for station X for train B from station W to station X? Who can tell me?
Teacher me.
Yep.
31 minutes.
Why 31?
Because from 19 and 30 to 20 and 1 minute is 31
Right.
minutes.
For train A to travel from here to here, how many times? How much time? طيب. From 1930, okay, to 30 minutes. Then from 20 to 20.
Teacher, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
Teacher, it's clear for me.
Is it clear now, guys?
It's clear from the beginning for me.
Wait.
Teacher, for me your voice is clear.
What about others? Elias,
ما فهمت يا أستاذ.
كيف الصوت?
Teacher, I didn't understand.
How is the voice?
Okay. Good.
خلاص. Let's do it again. Like, where does this noise come from?
يا أستاذ ما فهمت.
طيب, I'll explain again. Azraf, you have a question?
No, teacher. I just want to answer.
Wait, please let me explain it to others. طيب, we have two trains. Both trains take the same time to travel from one station to the next station. Okay, this means for train A to travel from here to here, it will take the same time for train B to travel from here to here. The same duration of time, but the leaving time is different from between A and B. So let's calculate the time interval for train A from station W to station X. It's going to be from the beginning time is 1930. I want to reach 21 o'clock. So I have to place the first time here, the leaving time of train A from from W was 19:30 o'clock, and then from 19:30 o'clock to 20 o'clock is 30 minutes. Then from 20, I need to reach 21 o'clock, right? 20 o'clock and 1 minute, 20 of 1. طيب. From 20:00 to 20:01 is 1 minute. So what is the total time to travel from this station to this station?
31 minutes.
31 minutes. طيب. 31 minutes. Now, how to calculate the time from this to this? From traveling for train B from W to X.
My answer.
Yeah,
It's 20:46.
we're going to add 31 minutes because the time is taken for train B to travel from here to here is 31 minutes. The same as the time traveling time from train A to from W to X, the same, 31, right? Then I need to add 31 minutes to 2015. 2015, how many minutes here we have? 15. So I need to add the minutes to the minutes. 31 plus 15, 64. So the time here will be 20:64. Is it clear?
Yeah.
طيب.
Yes, teacher.
But the other question.
Question 2, question B. How long is the journey from station Y to station Z? طيب, what is station Y? This is station Y. What is station Z? This. How long is the journey? You can take the journey for train A or for train B because both of them have the same traveling time, right? Azraf, you want to answer?
Yes, teacher.
What should we do?
We should the time interval, bring the time interval here,
Yup.
and then just add 20 minutes.
We have to place the beginning time, the leaving time from Y. What was it?
Yes. 20:34.
20:34. Then I want to reach 21 o'clock, right?
Yes,
Right.
teacher.
So how many minutes?
It's
From 20:34.
we should 6, I think.
Hmm?
Or be easy.
Okay, this is 20:34. But I have 60 minutes in 1 hour, right?
Yes, teacher.
And then between 20 and 21 is 1 hour. So I need to minus 34.
Yes,
Teacher, can I answer?
36.
Yep.
It's 26 minutes.
26?
Yes.
No. 26, yeah. Yep. So 26 minutes. Okay. طيب.
Teacher.
Is that clear?
Teacher, you will not say 1 hour and 26 minutes, correct?
No, it's not 1 hour and 26 because it's less than 1 hour. Only 26 minutes.
Oh, okay.
If it was 22, it's going to be 1 hour 26 minutes. طيب. What was your question, Rumeisa? Your previous question.
Just a minute.
What
Measuring length.
is difficult in measuring length?
I don't understand the kilogram and this one.
طيب. right? We haven't studied kilograms. I think we studied only kilometers, how to measure the length.
Yeah.
Right, the length only. For example, if you have this line, okay, or you have your ruler, okay, your ruler is divided in steps of centimeters, right?
Right.
Inside or between two marks, how many divisions between each two marks?
Millimeter.
Millimeters, how many millimeters?
10.
10. So 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, right?
Right.
Type. How many centimeters I need to make 1 meter? How many? If I want to make 1 meter, how
100.
100 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
Then how many meters do I need? I need to make 1 kilometer.
1000.
1000 centimeter
No, 1000 meters, not centimeters.
meters. Sorry. Yeah.
Exactly. Type. Uh, knowing this, um, what we call it, uh, يعني, measurements or the conversion between these units, I can convert any amount or any length, okay, from one unit to another unit. Type this
Teacher,
means
100 kilometer. The kilometer is the largest
kilometer is the
one.
largest. Yeah, we have another unit which is called mile. Mile is also used, but it's different from these units, meters, kilometers. It's a different unit. Like when you say hench, hench is another unit. You
Inch.
can, yeah, you can use it
Okay,
for
what is yards?
yards.
YARD.
Yards is exist, it does exist, but um, it's not usually used. It's not
Is
normal.
it bigger than kilometer?
I'm not sure how many the yards, how many kilometers, or how many yards in 1 kilometer. For mile, I think 1 mile equals 1 kilometer and something like 30 meters, like this. 1 mile is bigger than 1 kilometer, but for yard, I don't know. طيب. So, for example, if you have 5 kilometers, Rumaisa, can you tell me how many meters?
We should to make divided.
Hmm?
We should to make divided.
Why divided? طيب. In 1 kilometer, we have 1,000 meters.
5,000.
طيب. If you have 5 kilometers, you're going to get 5,000 kilometers. Away from the division and multiplication, if you have 1 kilometer,
Meters, not kilometers. 5,000 meters.
okay, Rumaisa, listen to me.
Yeah.
1 kilometer equals
5,000 meters.
1,000 meters. No, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, right?
Right.
If you have 1,000 meters, this means you have 1 kilometer. Okay.
Okay.
If you walk for 1,000 meters, this means you walked for 1 kilometer. Then another 1,000 kilometers, another 1,000 meters means 2,000 meters, right? And it means how many kilometers?
What was the question?
Okay, wait. Imagine that you walk from here, point A, to point B, 1,000 meters. So how many meters did you walk?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Type. If you walk another 1,000 meters, how many kilometers here? Another 1 kilometer, right?
Right.
Teacher, 2 kilometers.
So how many kilometers?
2 kilometer.
You walked 2 kilometers. So 2 kilometers equals how many meters?
2000 meter.
Yep, 2000 meter. That's it.
Okay.
So which is bigger, 1 kilometer or 1 meter?
It's the same. It's at the same.
No, 1 kilometer or 1 meter, not 1,000 meter, 1 meter.
No kilometer.
1 kilometer is bigger. So when we convert from bigger unit or larger unit, from large unit to small unit, we multiply. The same as this case. In this case, we change from kilometer, which is the large unit, to the smaller unit, which is meter. So we multiply the 2 by 1,000.
By 1,000.
By 1,000. Why? Because 1 kilometer equal 1,000. Okay.
Okay.
Type. If you have 2,000 meter, this, how many kilometers?
2,000 meter at
2 meters.
2 kilometers.
We here divide
Wait,
from
this is
small
the
to
same.
big.
2,000 meter equal 2 kilometers. The same. I just bring it here. Okay. In this this time, we are changing from the smaller unit to the larger unit. So in this case, from smaller to larger, we have to divide. So we divided the 2,000 meter by 2,000 divided by 1,000. Why? Because we are changing from meters to kilometers, and 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meter. So we have to divide by 1,000. Okay.
Okay.
So this will give us 2.
Okay.
So 2,000 meters equals 2 kilometers by dividing the 2,000 by 1,000, and the answer, the result is 2 kilometers. Clear?
Clear.
So from smaller to larger, you have to divide.
Here.
From the larger to the smaller, you have to multiply. Whatever the numbers you get, you have to always to look at the units and look at the basic conversion. The basic conversion between units. The basic means 1 kilometer, for example, how many meters, or 1 meters, how many centimeters. This is the basic we are going to use when we divide or multiply.
Teacher, with this, we take it.
Yep, we have studied it.
Right. This is
He
revision.
just give us a revision.
طيب, any other question?
2 minutes for the class.
Page
No.
33.
No, 4 minutes.
Page
Not
33B. I don't know what should I do.
what?
Page 33B.
Page?
Yes, sir. Talk to you, teacher, about something. I want to ask you about it.
What do you want to ask me?
In the book, I saved it for you. The Discord you say for me.
What was it?
Say for me in the class.
Page? What page? Remind me.
Teacher, this is the book. I think it's here. It's here. When the homework.
Ya Tarazan Levi, you have to change your name. Muhammad Ali, change your name.
Here.
Hmm?
Yes, page 104. Page 104, question 6.
طيب.
104. Question
Question
6.
6. Okay.
Teacher, I answer.
This is not going to be in the exam, but I'm going to explain it because many of you didn't answer it in the homework. Like, what is the missing? What are the missing numbers? We have decimals here, right? In this number line, we have decimals. Type how to deal with these kind of sequences or timeline number line. Type what is here? What is the number here? 1.23.
Yes.
Here 1.24. What is the difference between them?
How, teacher?
0.01.
0.01, the difference, right? If you add 0.01 to this, you are going to get this. طيب, what does that mean? This means the smaller divisions between them is going to be in steps of 0.001. Between this and this is 0.01. But between this and this is going to be less than this, right?
Right.
So between the smaller divisions here, oops, wait. Between the smaller divisions is, what is this? Wait. 0.001. So the division after 1.23 is going to be, because this is actually 1.230, right? This is the same.
Teacher, I know the answer.
Wait. This is the same, right? What is
Yes.
0.001 after this? What is it? It's going to be 1.231.
Yeah, and then to the fifth one is 1.235.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I understand, teacher.
And
Riyad, did you
the
understand?
second one,
Yes.
1 point.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the second one, 1.42.
Yep.
And the third one,
We will do the same
1.47.
thing. We will do the same thing for this.
Yes.
The division between the difference between the two divisions here is 0.001. Why? Because the difference between this and this is 0.01. So it must be small. The division, the number between the two small divisions should be smaller than this, which is 0.001. So this will be 1.24 what? 242. And this 1.24?
7.
7.
Yep, 7. Is that clear?
Yes.
You also
Yes,
need
teacher.
to revise how to study negative and
There are
positive
2
numbers.
minutes for the class.
What?
2 minutes for the class.
Not 2 minutes, 10 minutes.
10.
Let me see who is attended today, who is absent.
Teacher, I
Rumaisa,
have a question. Yeah.
please. Rumaisa, Riyad, Bish,
Yes.
Mustaqim.
Teacher, are we going to end the class now?
No, wait. Nasma, Riyan, Ahmad, Abdul Karim, عبد الرحمن. طيب. Okay, what is your question?
Page 33b.
Page what?
33.
33?
Yeah.
It means 3D. Teacher finished 3D.
Hmm?
3D.
I can't hear you.
3 days. 3D shape.
3D shapes. Type. Page 33,
B.
B. Type. Complete the sentences. The number of edges is,
I don't understand what should I do here.
type. Wait.
Here I give you V and 2N E edges, 3N and faces N plus 2.
Type. Let's see this. Type. The number of edges is space times the number of sides. For example, if you have this polygon, okay, how many edges here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 edges.
Yes,
Right.
teacher.
How many sides?
Side,
1, 2, 3,
faces,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
8 sides. Right. What was your answer,
teacher.
Muhannad?
It have 6 faces and 8 verses.
No, the relationship that you gave.
Yeah, verses 2N, edges 3N and faces N plus 2.
2n.
Verses 2N, edges 3N and faces N plus 2.
Right. 2n is the number of edges.
Verses.
Wait,
Vertices.
vertices.
Yes.
How many? Let's see how many vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. What is n? What is n? N,
Is the number like
the number
the
of,
side polygon. Sides
yeah.
polygon.
What is the polygon here?
Such this is 5
Polygon is pentagon,
pentagon.
right? Right. How many sides of this pentagon?
5.
5.
6. Oh,
5.
yes, sorry.
Type.
Yeah, 5.
So the number
5
of vertices,
multiplied
the
by
number
2.
of vertices is 2n. What is n?
Teacher, that
n
mean
Institute.
n
N
is the
is
number
the
of sides. Let's go step by step. We have to look at the pentagon, at the polygon that make this 3D shape. The polygon that made this 3D shape is pentagon, which has 5 sides. Like 5 sides means how many sides? The n is 5. Okay. Type. 2n is the vertices. What does it mean, 2n? 2n means 2 times n.
2 times the 5 sides.
Yeah, 2 times 5 sides. 2 times 5
Is 10.
is 10. So we have 10
This is the
vertices.
verses.
Type.
And
How many?
edges 3N.
Type. How many edges? 15.
3N. Yes, 15.
3n?
Yeah. Edges 3N. That mean 3
Yeah, 3n.
times
Yeah.
3 times 5, 15.
3n is the edges. So how many, what is n here? N is 5. Okay, so 3 times 5 equals 15 edges. Type
Teacher, and faces is n plus 2. It's face like it's 5. N is 5 plus 2
faces
is 7.
n plus
2.
n plus 2. Type how many?
5 face. 5. The n is 5 and plus 2 is 7.
Type how many faces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 faces.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
count the number of faces, you are going to find them 7 faces. So the rule is n plus 2. N plus 2 means 5 plus 2 because n is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 faces.
What is the full form of n?
N is the number of sides of the polygon. Which polygon? The polygon that make this pentagon, this 3D shape.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, like name of shape, letter 6 is give us only
Yeah.
sides of polygon, and they want edges. We multiply by 3 is we multiply by 3,
N will be
and
6
then
in this case. If
is
you have
multiplied by 2.
if you have a hexagon, okay, hexagon has 6 sides, and if this
Yes.
hexagon make 3D shape like this, okay, then you are going to
Yes.
make n equals 6, and then you find the number of vertices, the number of edges, the number of faces according to these relationships. Okay, this doesn't matter now because the question is the number of edges is blah blah times of the number of sides. Yeah, sides of the base. What is the base here? What is the base? What is the base?
Teacher, it's
The base of the 3D shape is pentagon, as we said. Right?
Pentagon. Yes.
So
Yes, teacher.
the number of edges is 2 times. Is it 2 times?
It's
No,
like it's
3
like
times.
the number of edges is 3 times the number of sides number of sides
Yeah,
of the 3D shape.
not the 3D shape, the 2D shape, which is pentagon.
Yeah, but the base is like if they don't understand it, it's mean the
We have
3D
less than
shape.
1 minute. Okay, we have less than 1 minute. This is not going to be in